Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jan and we are in southern part of Spain in one of the mountain villages in Andalucia. We are renting an apartment in the beautiful white village, and I promised in one of the videos that I'll show you what it looks like inside. So let's go and have a look, and you will see what a kind of traditional village house in Spain looks like. A little bit of the house from the outside. As you can see, we have the owner lives in here, and I believe it's all like just one part of the house. You can see in the villages the houses are all like tied to each other, and this is Casa Rural, so El Viejo Obrador, and this is our door. So let's go and have a look what the typical traditional Spanish house looks like inside. Look at that. That is so cool. You have stairs going straight down to the flat, so we need to be really careful and not roll down, so you can't really get drinking too much. Very beautiful has been our view, a little bit of the picture. So we have very looking like authentic lights, well, except we do have a new already light bulbs in there, but still, anyway, it looks really interesting. I'm gonna just you can see lock the door. You see there is like a little window. We just closed it because it's the wind is blowing nicely, and it's closing, trying to you know, on the wind, just playing around, so just keeping it closed. But most of the houses have these little windows in their doors. And we're going down now, where you can see this is the view from from the stairs to the living room, and you have straight really nice, beautiful fireplace. You can see all the pins, which is so cute, and the walls, white walls. So it's really, I don't know, is it correct to say, like really authentic, I would say. But okay, let's start with fireplace. I guess this is the only heating in a house, and I think pretty much all the houses, because there is no central heating or anything like that. So you can see, well, right now we do have a flower there, but it does look like it's actually real. I kind of think so. So you do have heating. Well, we have a little bit of the modern things in here, which is a TV, but a lot of really nice little details in here. Like, for example, look at this on top of the balcony door. I don't know what you call it, for cutting the wood. Is that really cool, right, in the old days? And then you have some jars of, I don't know, marmalade out there or something else, I don't know. So you have here, look at that shelf, looks really cool. And the shelves out there, they're like carved inside the wall. That is like really cute, I thought. But of course you probably like noticed amazing beautiful views outside. Let's just pop up quickly. This is a little balcony. We're spending the most of our time on this balcony, like suntan, getting during the day, and in the evening it's shade, because you can see the sun right now is here, but in the evening it's very cool and breezy. Beautiful views. You can hear how quiet it is, except singing cicadas. Okay, nice views. The only downside, there are, I was telling, I don't remember if I said when I was walking around the village, there are dogs out there somewhere. I don't know if it's a dog sanctuary or something. They're very noisy right now. It's probably hot and they're sleeping, but at night they do bark a lot. So we need to close the doors to try to have a good sleep. Now there is a view of the room from the balcony. You can see how cute the kitchen is. That is just so cool. And that's our stairs with all these tiles. That's really cool. And on the floor you have some stone and tiles too. So I find this place is really cute, with all these little features. Look at that. It's how it's all made. You have some wine out there. Well, I don't drink wine much, but I think it's really cute. You can keep your wine in here. And you see the kitchen. I'm gonna put the light. Okay, I'm gonna put the light on here. You don't have many cabinets, okay? So all your cabinets is underneath there, which are hidden behind the curtains. But we do have, you see, the fridge and a microwave and a washing machine. I wanted to show you this little bicycle is also really cute, so like space to hide something, I don't know. So you can see in here, this is how it's all kept. You have some shelves, and this stove is not electrical actually. They do get gas, so you have the gas in these balloons. Okay, and so this is how we use it. And look at that also, this is really cute coffee making making the grounding the coffee, right, as far as I can, if it's correct translation. So anyway, so here's the bit of the area of the kitchen once again, so you can see this is stone also stone with tiles, so really interesting. And well, that's a little bit of overview of living room, dining room with the kitchen. And now we are going to have a look further. Go to the right bedroom first. This is a smaller bedroom and it has 2 single beds. It's a little bit messy right now as we're using it as a changing room, and also a little bit of my study, let's say it that way. This is where I sit and do my work. Beautiful views from the window. Okay, so have mountain views too. Nice and quiet, except singing cicadas pretty much all day. And nice built-in wardrobe. It's quite spacious actually. I'm going to show you inside, which is also a bit messy here, as we do have clothes and some bags sitting in here. Nice shelf, which you see I'm using for my cosmetics. Some hennas, mirror here, and little chair can sit on. And we are going to the bathroom. Okay, so it's toilet and shower together, so that's what you can see. Okay, and so the shower is from here. You can see how it's interesting, right? You have the bins and how the shower is made. It's very Spanish, I would think, and they have tiles on the floor. So it's nice. We have here everything you need, towels and toilet paper and even earbuds. It's all, it was here. Well, this is all our stuff except the shower gel was also in here, but pretty much everything you need there is here. Okay, so that's really nice. So, and it's really nicely decorated. I do really like all these different details. You can see like a little bear out there sitting too. So now we're going into the main bedroom. Okay, so it has a I don't know, it's a double bed or queen size bed. Definitely king size is a bit small, but okay, the bed for 2 people, let's say that way. So it's also was nicely done with the cover before, but I took it out. You probably would think it's probably somebody is sleeping there. There is a body. No, but no, it's not the body. It's the pillow. It's just the way how I like to sleep. I like to have a pillow under my feet, so to keep my legs up at night, which is also good when you walk a lot for the blood circulation. And I do really like to have a pillow under my ribs. So yeah, I do usually have lots of pillows around me, and this is my husband's space, which he complains he doesn't have too much. So also nice bins in here, and I do really like this little clocks. Look, they're so cute. Look at them, really pretty. I do really like all this antique things, like these ones also, like really cool. There's some nice books, pretty books, but they're all in Spanish, so I can't read them really. Okay, so there is also wardrobe in here, which we don't use. You see, we just have a cover in there, and it has actually enough little different shelves and also hennas, but the other room, which I'm using as a dressing room, is good enough. So for me. And here we have a nice balcony too. So keeping that is to keep away flies and mosquitoes. So have that cover. Beautiful flowers here too, which we do have to water. Do not forget to water the flowers because it gets really hot during the day and quite nice actually in the evening. So well, you probably can have nice dinners here or something, except we don't really use this much balcony. We use more the living room balcony, so you can see here also. Oh, look at that little butterfly. Come on, go. Oh, it's gone. So there's also nets here flying from mosquitoes, and again the view of the valley and the mountains. This is really nice. So that's it, guys. So I think the place is really nice. I quite like it. So many, all of these details, different things which look very gives you that feeling of that you're really staying in a village, okay, and in an old house, mountains, in a mountain village house. So that's pretty cute, I think. Well, that's it. If you really like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and continue traveling. Bye, everyone.